My name is Dhanushri and these are my teammates Sanjay, Jishnu, Kumar and Vishnu. We are 15 years old. We are studying in Swami Vivekananda Vidya Kendra, Hoskote. We are from Karnataka. Our project name is Fire Safety Bus. It prevents the accidents due to the fire in the buses. When the fire is found in the hidden condition, the sensors may give signal to escape from the future damage, so that the lives of the passengers may saved. This water is sprinkled all over the bus when the fire is detected.
My friend will share the love about Avishkaar.
We love Avishkaar because it is the best platform to show our new ideas and show our interest in robotics and codings.
This is our circuit we have used in our bus. We have used one fire sensor, red LED, green LED and buzzer. When the fire is by the fire sensor, the green LED off, red LED and buzzer will be on. And we have connected relay model to the Arduino to control the voltage, and we have connected positive direct relay model to direct for battery and negative for direct for battery, and one wire for relay model. And when we detect the fire area, the motor will be run and it will sprinkle by the sprinklers all the bus and the fire will be stopped. And my friends will show the demo in the project demo in the bus.
Now we have uploaded the coding to the Arduino, and when we put the fire in the near the small fire sensor, the red LED gets on and the buzzer gets on. The water gets sprinkled automatically. The red light indicates danger and the green light is safety. Now the fire is being kept. We can also upload the code in the Arduino, and we can connect the Arduino to the power bank. However, the code is uploaded to the cable, and we can also put the power bank, and we can run the process.